Are you using ChatGPT or Copilot at work? You might be creating security risks without realizing it. As software testers, we're adopting AI tools fast for writing test cases, analyzing logs, generating test data. It's making us more productive. But here's the problem. Every time you paste code, logs, or test data into an AI tool, you're potentially exposing sensitive company information. And most of us haven't been trained on what's safe and what's not. These aren't hypothetical risks. They're happening right now. In July 2025, McDonald's AI hiring platform exposed 64 million job applicants' personal data because of a weak password on an admin account. IBM's 2025 report found that 13% of organizations experienced AI-related breaches, and 97% of them lacked proper AI access controls. 1 in 5 companies reported breaches from shadow AI, employees using unauthorized AI tools, with these incidents costing an average of $670,000 more than regular breaches. Security experts are now warning that AI agents will be one of the biggest new attack vectors for cybercriminals in 2026. Rico and Gartner estimates that 40% of all enterprise applications will integrate with AI agents by the end of this year. This is the reality we're working in. Let's now have a look on some real risks you need to be aware of. Data leakage. When you paste proprietary code or customer data into a public AI tool, that information may be used to train future models or stored in ways you don't control. A prompt injection is a type of cyber attack against large language models. If you're using AI assistants integrated into your workflow, attackers can hide malicious instructions in emails, documents, or even API responses that manipulate the AI to perform unintended actions on your behalf. Over-reliance on AI-generated content. AI can confidently give you incorrect test scenarios or miss-edge cases, and if you don't verify, vulnerabilities slip through. Accidental disclosure. Sharing AI-generated content that inadvertently contains patterns or information from your proprietary systems. You don't need to become a security expert, but you do need to understand these risks. The OWASP Top 10 for LLM Applications 2025 is an excellent resource for this. It explains these risks in plain language, things like sensitive information disclosure, supply chain vulnerabilities in AI tools, and insecure output handling. You can download this PDF from OWASP site. Read through it. It'll change how you think about using AI safely. Before your next AI interaction at work, ask yourself, am I pasting anything sensitive? Could this output mislead my testing? Understanding AI risks isn't optional anymore. It's part of being a responsible tester. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more real-world AI tips for software testers. Happy testing!